About 2 years ago, I had the 470W transmission out of my 10th-gen F-150, 2002 model, and at the same time, I got a viewer comment asking me about the oxygen sensors on these vehicles. Now, in this viewer's case, 3 of the 4 heater circuits were out. She was getting diagnostic trouble codes for 3 of the 4, which was kind of odd that all 3 went out at the same time, but she still had 1 left. Well, the next video I'm going to show you was what I showed as the location of the wiring harness underneath the vehicle with the transmission out. It makes it a lot easier to see. But what I didn't talk about are other potential issues. Now, if you get 3 of the 4 out simultaneously, it's not the oxygen sensors, it's something else. It could be pinched wiring, broken connection. It could be the PCM is not driving the oxygen sensors, not likely. Could be that there's a fuse issue, but that's not likely because it would probably drop out all 4 oxygen sensors. But in this case, I wanted to show in this video what the other potential causes, or the big potential cause of this that I've heard about more broadly with people, and that's the location of the wiring harness near the exhaust. So without further ado, let me just take you through what I'm going to show you up underneath the vehicle so you can get a better idea what one of the major potential causes of losing more than 1 oxygen sensor circuit at a time. I've got a request from one of my viewers, and she is concerned about some codes that she's getting. These are P0 codes indicating that the heater circuit on her oxygen sensors aren't working, and she's got several of them. I think it was 3 of them that were out. And the only thing I can think of is that there's an electrical wiring harness issue. Now here you can see, let me zoom in here. Oop, wrong way. There. Okay, you can see the exhaust coming down, and right up here is an oxygen sensor connection. And you got the same thing on this side. There it is, there's an oxygen sensor coming down. And you've also got the rear sensors. These are the front sensors, bank 1, bank 2, sensor 1. And then the blue connectors here are bank 1, bank 2, sensor 2. Now, the only thing I can think is that the exhaust might have caused a problem with these electrical connections, melting them and causing maybe some of the wires in that circuit not to work properly. So if you have a problem like this, what you want to do is check all these electrical connections here, see if they've been burnt through by the exhaust manifolds, or what I've got here are shorty headers, and you'll need to repair those, obviously, if that's the problem. So again, here are the oxygen sensor wires, and I've heard a lot of times these things get close to the exhaust manifolds. You can see how close this is here, and it will burn through the wires, causing a circuit issue, a shorting issue, or actually a broken circuit. So hopefully this helps out that viewer, and hopefully it helps out others. I'm in the middle of replacing my transmission. I'm about to put it in right now, so don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Leave your comments below if you think there's other reasons why many of or almost all of the heater circuit issues on the oxygen sensor are arising on that vehicle. And I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.